Most people post pictures online and hope someone likes them. But what if your picture could do something way smarter, like silently fire commissions in the background? This is the new wave of content, smart pictures. Images that look simple on the outside but are engineered with the right message, the right hook, and the right curiosity trigger. So they quietly generate clicks and income without you having to do any extra. You don't need to be a designer, you don't need followers, and you definitely don't need to show your face. All you need is a picture, any picture, and the right AI to turn it into something people can't scroll past. Because here's the truth, platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook are obsessed with pushing visual content, but only the pictures that trigger emotion or curiosity actually make money. Those are the smart ones. The problem is, most beginners have no idea what to write or how to position their images. They post random photos with random captions and get zero results. That's why Profit Trigger AI is such a game changer. It takes a plain image and instantly upgrades it with high converting hooks, attention grabbing angles, and tiny bits of copy proven to spark action. You're not guessing. The AI analyzes what's already working and gives you the exact content that gets clicked. That's how a normal picture becomes a smart picture. One that silently pulls in $10, $20, $50 commissions without any extra effort. If you want to start creating images that actually earn for you, check the link in my description and sign up for Profit Trigger AI. Turn your next picture into a silent commission machine.